Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I've got another unboxing for Diamond Dots. So this one is called Flutter by Pink, and it is a partial. I'm pretty sure it's a partial, but it is by Diamond Dots. I know my lighting is pretty bad. But this is by Diamond Dots, and it shows that it has 28 colors, and it is a partial because it is only the butterfly that will be drilling. On the back, shows you steps on how to diamond paint. It shows you the kit contents, and on this other side, it tells you that this is a design size, which is just your picture. It's not the whole fabric. Just your picture is going to be a 30.5 by 30.5. If that focuses in, maybe not. Okay, anyway, let's get into this. So how is everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a great day. Let's see. Alright, that's all that's in the box. We'll set that to the side for a minute, and we will get this open. Maybe. There we go. I will say one thing about Diamond Dots that I don't like is how tight they roll these things, because this is just like crazy tight, and it takes a minute to get them to flatten out. But since it's poured glue, you can roll them the opposite direction in order to get them to kind of lay slightly flat. And since this is a partial, none of this is going to be drilled, so the plastic's not sticking to that. It's just going to stick to this butterfly, which I love that color blue though. It's pretty. So this won't be too hard to do, and it won't take no time to finish, that's for sure, being that it's a partial. And let's just lay that down like that. Let's try to get it to lay flat just a little bit. And looks like they have, this is their how-to sheet. Lord, it's as big as the canvas. And it's just 12 steps on how to diamond paint in a bunch of languages. That's pretty much all this is. So I'm not going to go into that. Okay, let's check out the drills real quick and their kits. Now, if you watched my other video, you'll know that I've never done a Diamond Dots before. So, the one in the video prior to this is my first one. This is the second one. So far, I like it, but I've not put drills on canvas yet. So, alright, in this kit, you get a clear pen. You get your tray with the little spout. You get the Diamond Dots logo on the little caddy of wax. You get an orange squishy and a whole bunch of bags. That's quite a bit of bags there. Alright. Now, I didn't even look to see if there was any special drills on this. I don't know. We'll see. colors are awesome. These are pretty. Very, very, very pretty. I love colorful canvases. I'll do any canvas, but I really like the colorful ones. These are really pretty. All the oranges and the pinks, and my favorite color is purple, so I love that. There's quite a few purple in this one. Let's see. There's some teal. Okay. Hopefully y'all could tell. Y'all could see those. Alright. We're going to set these to the side. Sorry about all the noise. And let's flip this over and look at it. Now, like I had told you in the other video, if you watched it, Diamond Dotz, they chart their colors differently than the other companies with the DMC drills. Diamond Dotz has their own color chart. So, if you do not have the Gem Flows app on your phone or your computer, it is a diamond painting app. You can put all your diamond paintings in there, all the canvases that you've ever done. You put all your details in. It's a really, really, really good app for those who like to keep up with what they've done and want to keep up with their drills. But in it, there is a place in there that shows all the colors. And it has the Diamond Dotz colors in it. And it also has the DMC charted colors in it. And I'm pretty sure it has the AB drills. So, go get the app, download it, and you can see for yourself. But it's a good app. But this has got 28 colors. And doesn't look like, yeah, they're all just regular colors. No ABs in this. But this one does have some letters, but it's mostly symbols. Okay. And again, keys on that side, keys on both sides, scalloped edges so that your canvas doesn't fray, and this is a partial. Partial just means exactly what it says. It's partially drilled. All of this is just a picture, and the butterfly is what we're actually going to be drilling. And it tells you right down here the name of the canvas, which is Flutter by Pink, the design size, which is a 30.5 by 30.5 centimeter, which is around a 12 by 12 inch, and that's going to be this. And then your fabric size, which is the whole thing, is 38 by 38 centimeters, which is a 15 by 15 inch. And it says here, image produced under license from Shutterstock.com. That's pretty neat. And I guess that's just the number of the canvas. And it has the double D's, which is the Diamond Dotz trademark. And as far as the canvas goes, it is sticky. And the drill field's pretty clear. I mean, some of it's going to be a little dark, but it's nothing that's going to be horrible. Nothing I'm going to complain about at all. And again, their chart, there's a few numbers and a few letters, but mostly it's all symbols. which, again, I'd rather it be numbers than letters, but symbols are okay too, I guess, if you gotta have them. But yeah, it is so pretty. Those colors are very, very, very pretty. And this is not going to take no time at all. Probably do this in one day. Just a few hours. A couple hours. But anyway, so that's my second diamond dots that I have had. And all in all, I think they're very cute little kits. But again, I mean, I don't know anything until I actually put drill to canvas on how I'm going to like it and how the drills are going to be. But so far, I mean, the drills are pretty, and I don't see any trash or anything in the drills, and they're round. I don't think I mentioned that, but the drills are round. They're very pretty. Very, very pretty. Colors are very pretty on this one. So, anyway, y'all know what to do. Thanks to my subscribers. And if you're new, hit subscribe, bell, thumbs up, leave me some comments. And until my next video, I will see all y'all later. Bye, y'all.